Are you ready to take your gardening game to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of perennial gardening. But not just any perennials we're talking about, 7 incredible plants that'll have you reaping the rewards long before your neighbors even think about planting. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to transform your backyard into a bountiful paradise. Welcome, my gardening friends. Today is the day we unlock the secrets to early spring harvests like never before. It's a chilly morning, but there's a buzz in the air, the buzz of anticipation. Why? Because we're about to plant 7 incredible perennials that'll have us swimming in fresh produce while the rest of the world is still thawing out. So grab your shovel, grab your seeds, and let's dive in. Rhubarb, the ruby red wonder. Rhubarb, is there anything more delightful? Its vibrant red stalks and tangy flavor. Rhubarb is a perennial favorite among gardeners and chefs alike. But did you know that rhubarb is also ridiculously easy to grow? That's right, just plant it, water it, and watch it flourish. Before you know it, you'll be enjoying mouth-watering rhubarb pies, jams, and crisps straight from your own backyard. Asparagus, the spear of spring. Next up, we have the mighty asparagus. This perennial powerhouse may take a bit of patience to get started, but trust me, it's well worth the wait. It's early spring, and you're strolling through your garden, basket in hand. Suddenly, you spot them slender green spears pushing their way through the soil. It's asparagus season, baby. So get those trenches dug and start planting. Your future self will thank you. Strawberries, nature's candy. Let's talk strawberries, shall we? Juicy, sweet, and oh so delicious. These little red gems are a gardener's dream come true. And the best part? They're ridiculously easy to grow. Whether you're planting them in the ground, in containers, or even in hanging baskets, strawberries are sure to thrive in your garden. So plant them now and get ready to enjoy the sweet taste of success come springtime. Garlic, the flavorful bulb, the ultimate flavor booster. Plant it now, and you'll be harvesting bundles of flavorful bulbs before you know it. Plus, garlic is a natural pest repellent, so it'll help keep those pesky critters at bay while you're busy tending to the rest of your garden. So grab your cloves and get planting. Your taste buds will thank you. Chives, the versatile herb. Say hello to chives, the unsung heroes of the herb garden. These flavorful little shoots are a breeze to grow and add a burst of oniony goodness to any dish. Plant them now, and you'll have fresh chives at your fingertips whenever you need them. Plus, chives are excellent companions for other plants, helping to repel pests and attract beneficial insects to your garden. Kale, the leafy green wonder. This nutrient-packed green is a must-have in any garden. Plant it now, and you'll have a steady supply of leafy goodness for salads, smoothies, and more. Plus, kale is super easy to grow, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. So get ready to enjoy the health benefits of homegrown kale. Your body will thank you. The superfood sensation. Last, but certainly not least, we have spinach, the ultimate superfood. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot in every garden. Plant it now, and you'll be harvesting tender leaves that will add a burst of green goodness to your favorite recipes. From salads to smoothies to sautés, the possibilities are endless with homegrown spinach. And there you have its 7 incredible perennials that'll have your garden bursting with life and flavor long before the rest of the neighborhood even wakes up. So grab your shovel and get planting. And remember, gardening is about more than just growing plants. It's about nurturing a connection to the earth and cultivating a sense of abundance and joy. So get out there, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening! Thank you for joining us on this gardening adventure. We hope you're feeling inspired to roll up your sleeves and get planting. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. So don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. If you have any questions or want to share your own gardening tips and tricks, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting!